Give your child a financial head start with Minor Folio. You can now start investing in just 3 minutes, building a strong foundation for their future. Let's see how easy it is to get started through our website. Start by visiting www.edelweissmf.com and click on the login button in the top right corner. On the login page, select Minor as the investor type. Enter your guardian's PAN details. Choose guardian's legal status from RI and NRI toggle and click on Begin Now. Enter the guardian's date of birth, email and mobile number. Fill in the minor's name as per document, date of birth, guardian's relationship and upload the required document. Document should be in PNG or JPG format and within 4 MB size. Tick the required checkboxes and click on Send me OTP now. Enter the OTP received on email and mobile number both and click on Let's create my account. Enter personal details and tax payment details and click on Proceed to add bank account. Next, enter the guardian's bank account details including IFSC code, account number and type. You can see payment mode and autopay facilities available. In case your bank account does not provide desired payment and autopay mode, add another bank account with these facilities. Minor's bank account details are optional but recommended to be added as redemption proceeds can only be received in minor's bank account. Click on Proceed. Great job! Your Minor Folio application has been submitted successfully. Minor Folio creation may take up to 2 business days, subject to verification of minor guardian relationship documents submitted. Read important note before initiating transaction in Minor Folio. Now let's walk through the simple steps to start investing in your child's Minor Folio. Under Invest Now, choose either SIP or Lumpsum investment. For SIP, choose your desired scheme. Enter the investment amount per month and set up your SIP frequency, start date and duration. You'll also find top-up suggestions to help you reach your goal faster. Click on Proceed. Verify with an OTP. Select your mode of auto debit from options like e-mandate, UPI Autopay and Biller. UPI Autopay is a recommended autopay method. Post-mandate registration, please allow the website to route you back to the transaction confirmation page. Now if you select the lump sum option, choose your desired scheme and enter the investment amount. Click on Proceed and enter the OTP for verification. Next, select your mode of payment from UPI, net banking or IMPS NEFT RTGS. Tick the required checkboxes and click on Confirm and Pay. If you choose UPI, enter your UPI ID or mobile number linked with UPI and click on Verify and Pay. Open your UPI app, complete the payment and you are done. You will receive a transaction completion notification confirming your successful investment. You have successfully completed investment for your child. And that's it. With a Minor Folio, you are not just investing money, you are investing in your child's dreams. Happy investing!
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.